Hey everyone, this is Akash from the research team at Pure. I'm at Token 2049 Singapore and I'm here with.
Waleed Qureshi, CDO Dope.
What does Dope do? We've got a pillar here that explains each principle of what you guys do, but could you explain it in simple terms?
Yeah, so basically, Dope is a wallet which you can use to control your own data. So basically, with the current ecosystem of blockchains, there's an issue of over transparency. Anybody can see anybody's assets, transactions, their prior histories, and everything. And when crypto is massively adopted, this is like a huge flaw in the crypto space, in the blockchain space. So we have created a protocol which you can use to discreetly, privately transact tokens, NFTs with each other, send them, collect them, and manage your entire portfolio, a non-custodial wallet. But all your assets and balances are hidden, and you can only see them. And you can then select to reveal which assets you want to the public, to anybody, to a particular person, to the entire a group or anything, and hide whichever you don't want to reveal.
You mentioned it's a protocol. Is it a protocol on a specific chain? Are you on the Ethereum, on the EVM chain? And do you work at a block explorer level, at a transaction level, or both?
So basically, we are built right now on Ethereum, but we are EVM compatible right now. So we are currently live on Polygon mainnet, Ethereum mainnet, and XLayer mainnet. So we're compatible with all EVM chains, but we're developing to be compatible with other chains also like Tron, Solana, and the development is in process. And we basically work on the transaction level. Whenever a person comes into the protocol, the funds are transferred into a smart contract. And that smart contract is responsible for validating the proofs, maintaining user histories, their balances in a Merkle tree, and the user generates the proof on their own system and the smart contract verifies.
And this proof is eventually stored or settled on any settlement chain like Ethereum?
Yeah, it's settled on the blockchain, whichever it is deployed on. Let's say Ethereum in our case, and Polygon if you are on Polygon. But it's not a layer 2. It's not something that happens off chain. Only the proof is generated off chain, which is created by the user, and it's verified on chain.
And the proof is stored on the mainnet. What part of it is stored on the protocol itself?
I think the protocol doesn't store the proof. The smart contract only stores the proof, and the blockchain maintains its transactional history. So you can on the blockchain see how many proofs were generated, how many were verified, and all that. But the smart contract only verifies the proof and stores it in a ledger type, and the user creates the proof.
And before this, we were speaking about how technology like this can be used on a more merchant level basis. Is that a specific use case that you see? What other use cases are you seeing for this privacy-centric technology?
So basically, the most use case will be for the customers when crypto is massively adopted, so they don't have to worry about their assets being revealed to, let's say, wrong people who have not good intentions with public. So they can choose their assets to not be public. Then even merchants and vendors which make daily payments to other people, let's say if you are a business, you make daily payments to vendors, but you don't want to see each vendor got how much people can see right now. Like if you are a business on crypto and you make payments on a daily basis to multiple people, they can see how much you paid that person and that. But with Dope, no vendor can see what the other vendor got because it's completely private. Our goal in the future is to take this technology above than financial data only, even bigger data, like AI data. The model is being trained on to everybody, but to only specific people. So they can also choose Dope in the future to get their data onto Dope and reveal it to only particular people.
Got it. And what is your biggest goal for the rest of the year?
Our biggest goal for the rest of the year is to be as much integratable as possible. We're working on SDKs, we're working on JavaScript SDKs, iOS, native SDKs for Android. So we can be easily integratable into other wallets like Trust Wallet or any other wallets which wants to integrate DOP into the system. So it's very easily integratable. So we have working on SDKs, documentation, which people and developers can read, understand, and integrate our protocol into their system.
Got it. Thank you so much for speaking with me, Waleed, and enjoy the rest of your stay here.